Hey everybody, it's Denise and I'm very excited today because I'm in Ibiza and I'm going to be checking out the Cascadas Suspendidas. It is a thalassotherapy experience where you go into all these different pools and they're suspended over the Mediterranean Sea, and it's going to be amazing. So I'm going to show you some pictures and maybe some video of the experience and let you know what I think. I'm looking forward to this. I've been wanting to go since I came to Ibiza last year. So finally, I get to go today. Super excited.
Hey guys, my name's Denise Poole with Jetset Times, and tonight I am taking you behind the scenes at one of LA's hottest parties here at